بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنشوف area of square by its diagonal length. طبعا احنا قبل كده عرفنا الخصائص بتاعة السكوير. عندي سكوير ABCD إن ال AB equal BC equal CD equal DA all side equal in length and each of opposite side in parallel. يعني ال CB parallel ال AD and ال CD parallel ال BA وهكذا. ماشي. its diagonal الdiagonal هو الوتر يعني are equal in length. الdiagonal of this square AC and BD هنلاقي ان ال AC equal BD and are perpendicular. AC perpendicular on BD and bisect each other. So CM equal AM and DM equal MB. Okay. All angles of the square equal 90. This is right angle. Angle A equal angle B equal angle C equal angle D equal 90. Okay. Area of the square. Area of the square equal side length multiply the side length. Side length multiply side length. The parameter of square equal 4 multiply S. Example, the parameter of square equal 32. Find its area. The parameter of square equal B equal 4 multiply S multiply S. When the parameter equal 32, so S equal 32 divide 4. S equal the parameter divide 4 equal 8. Area equal side length multiply the side length. Side length multiply side length. Equal 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 equal 64. Try side length of square equal 2.5. Find the area. So the area equal side length multiply side length equal 2.4 multiply 2.4. Area of square by knowing the diagonal. Area of square equal half multiply D multiply D. Half multiply D multiply D. So when the diagonal of square equal 6, the area of square equal half multiply 6 multiply 6 equal 18. Example, find the area of each of the following square. Side length in this square equal 3.5. So area equal 3.5 . multiply 3.5. In this case, diagonal equal 8. So area equal half multiply diagonal multiply diagonal equal half multiply 8 multiply 8. Okay, in this case half of diagonal equal 2.5, xm equal 2.5, and two diagonal is bisect each other, so xm equal mz equal 2.5, so the diagonal equal xm plus mz equal 5. 2.5 plus 2.5 equal 5. A equal half multiply diagonal, so A equal half multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, example, area of a square equal 50. Find the diagonal. So diagonal multiply diagonal equal 2a. So d multiply d equal 2 multiply 50 multiply 50 equal 100. So D equal 10. B area of a square equal 49. Find its parameter. So area of a square equal S multiply S equal 49. So S equal 7. Parameter equal 4 multiply S. 4 multiply S equal 4 multiply 7 equal 28. Understand? In the opposite figure find the area of shaded part. أنا عايز الاريا الخاصة بالشادد بارت، الجزء المظلل. لو انا بصيت على الجزء المظلل فمعنى كده ان هو الشكل بتاعه مش ظاهر، ولكن لو جبت الاريا الخاصة بالريكتانجل وعملت سبتراكت للاريا الخاصة بالسكوير هيديني الاريا بتاعة الشادد بارت. يبقى اول حاجة هعملها هجيب the area of rectangle. area of rectangle equal length multiply width. So the area of rectangle equal 12 multiply 8. Length multiply width. Okay, this is length multiply width. And the area of square equal half multiply diagonal multiply diagonal. In this case the diagonal equal 8. This is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. The diagonal multiply 8. So the area of a square equal half multiply 8 multiply 8 equal 32. The shaded area equal the area of rectangle minus the area of square. So the shaded area equal 96 minus 32 equal 64. Okay, try the diagonal length of square equal 7. So the area ماشي area equal half multiply diagonal, in this case equal 7 multiply diagonal. The area of a square is 8 centimeter square. Then its length of its diagonal length equal, in this case diagonal multiply الdiagonal equal 2 multiply area of a square. So D equal 2 multiply 8 equal 16. So D equal 4. 4 multiply 4 equal 16. Okay, كده area of square خلص. ماشي، ممكن تحلوا الاكسرسايزز، ولو عايزين اي حاجة في الاسئلة تبعتولي في الكومنتس وانا اجاوب لكم عليها. طيب نشوف the area of rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose the four sides is equal. يعني كل الأضلاع بتاعته متساوية. معنى كده AB equal BC equal CD equal AD. And its diagonal of this rhombus is perpendicular and bisect each other. So AC is the diagonal and BD is diagonal. AC perpendicular on BD and it's bisect each other. So AC AM equal MC and BM equal MD. The area of the rhombus when the base equal L and the height in its base corresponding height of its base equal H. D this height corresponding on this base. Okay, and this height corresponding on this base. So the area of rhombus equal the side length multiply height on this base, corresponding on this base. Okay, we know that area equal L multiply H. L is the length of the base and H is the height corresponding on its base. Height equal area divide L equal area divide height. Height equal area divide L and L equal area divide height. Example, the perimeter of rhombus equal 20 and its height equal 4 centimeter. We know all sides of the rhombus is equal, so the perimeter equal equal 4L. When the parameter equal 20, so L equal perimeter divide 4. So L equal 20 divide 4 equal 5. And the area equal L multiply height. Its height is 4. So the area equal L multiply height equal 4 multiply 5. L multiply height. Okay. B. The side length of the rhombus is 5 and the area of is 45. Find its height. Height equal area divide length. Area divide length equal 45 divide 5 equal 9. Okay. The area of the rhombus knowing by the two diagonal. This is diagonal D1 and this is diagonal D2. The area of the rhombus equal half multiply D1 multiply D2. Okay, find who's the diagonal length. Find the area of this rhombus whose the diagonal length 8 and 6. So the area equal half multiply D1 multiply D2. Okay. So area equal half multiply D1 multiply D2. D1 equal area divide half multiply D2. D2 equal area divide half multiply D1. Example, Find the area of each of the following rhombus. In this rhombus, I have height equal 4 and length equal 6. So the area equal height multiply length. Area equal height multiply length. Equal 4 multiply 6. Okay. In this rhombus, height equal 7 and the length equal 10. Area equal height multiply length. Equal 7 multiply 10. Okay. In this case, D1 equal 18 and D2 equal 12. Area equal half multiply D1 multiply D2 equal half multiply 18 multiply 12. In this case, all of diagonal bisect each other. So this is diagonal equal 4 plus 4 equal 8 and this diagonal equal 3 plus 3 equal 6. So A equal half multiply diagonal 1 multiply diagonal 2. So equal half multiply 8 multiply 6. Which is the greater area? The triangle has each side length 25 and the corresponding height is 6. The area of triangle equal half multiply P multiply height. Half multiply P multiply height. So the area of the triangle equal half multiply 25 multiply 6 equal 75. And the area of the rhombus or the rhombus whose the length of the diagonals equal 8 and 15. The area of the rhombus equal half multiply D1 multiply D2. So this equal half multiply 8 multiply 15. So the area of the triangle greater than the area of the rhombus. كده الدرس خلص. حلوا الاكسرسايزز ولو في اي مشكلة ممكن تكتبوها لي في الكومنتس ونبتدي ان احنا نشوفها. هنشوف ان شاء الله circumference of the circle. circumference of the circle طول الخط الراسم للسيركل. طول الخط اللي احنا بنرسم بيه السيركل. يعني لو انا جبت خيط حطيته حوالين السيركل وبعدين فردته حطيته on the ruler وابتدي ان انا اقيسه، هو ده circumference. ماشي، بالعربي بيبقى اسمه محيط للدايرة. تمام. for any circle The circumference divided by its diameter length given always of the same number. عندي قيمة ثابتة the constant value equal pi. Pi is usually 3.14 or 22 divide 7. This is the constant. Okay, عندي قيمة ثابتة pi equal 3.4 or 22 divide 7 equal pi. Okay, the circumference equal pi multiply the diameter, or C equal 2 multiply pi multiply r, because the diameter equal to r, the radius length. The diameter equal 2 multiply radius. So C equal pi multiply d, and d equal C divide pi. Pi equal C divide d, and C equal 2 pi r. R equal C divide 2 pi, and 2 pi equal C divide r. So pi equal C divide 2r. Okay. Find the circumference of the circle. The diameter equal 21. يبقى أنا دلوقتي عندي D equal 21. So C equal pi multiply D. Pi multiply D. Pi is the constant. So pi equal 22 divide 7. 22 divide 7 multiply 21 equal 66 centimeter. C equal 2 pi r equal 2 multiply pi is the constant 3.14, and in this case the radius equal 10. So C equal 2 pi r 2, and the pi is the constant 3.14 multiply 10. Example, find the radius of the circle of its circumference equal 47.1 and pi equal 3.14. So r equal C divide 2 pi. So equal 47.1 divide 2 multiply 3.14. Okay. The parameter of the square equal side length multiply 4. طبعا احنا عارفينها. And the parameter of the rectangle equal length plus width all multiply 2. Example, which is the greater parameter of the rectangle of the dimension? This is length and this is width. So the parameter of the rectangle equal length plus width all multiply 2. So the parameter of the rectangle equal 8 plus 7 multiply 2 equal 15 multiply 2 equals 30. And circumference of the circle, the radius equal 14. So the circumference of the circle equal 2 pi r equal 2, and the pi of the constant 22 over 7 multiply 14 equal 88. So the circumference of the circle greater than the parameter of the rectangle. Okay. Example, Find the circumference of the circle whose the radius, this is r, length equal the side of the length of the square. So r in this case equal the side length of the square, s. The perimeter of the square equal 56. So s equal perimeter divide 4. So this equal 56 divide 4 equal 14. And the radius equal s. So the radius equal 14. The circumference of the circle equal 2 pi r. 2 multiply by is the constant, 22 over 7 multiply 14 equal 88. Example: the radius of the lens طار بتاع عجلة حمزة radius equal 49. Radius, this radius equal 49. So the circumference of the tree 2 pi r equal 2 multiply 22 over 7 multiply 49 equal 308 centimeter. Find the distance covered by this bicycle in the 8 complete rotation. So the distance equal 8 multiply the circumference. Okay. The perimeter of any shape equals the length of outline the shape. Okay, the perimeter of any shape equal the length of outline of this shape. In this shape, calculate the parameter. So this is half circle and this is half circle. Okay, half circle plus half circle equal 1 circle. The circumference of this circle, and this is the diameter. This is the diameter. This is diameter. This is diameter. Okay. The circumference of this circle equal d multiply pi. D multiply pi equal the pi is the constant 3.14 and the diameter equal 2.1 centimeter. So the circumference equal 6.6 centimeter. The perimeter equal half circle and this straight line equal 10 plus half circle plus straight line equal 10. So the perimeter equal 10 plus 10 plus the circumference of this circle. Therefore, the perimeter equal 20 plus 6.6 equal 26.6. Okay? Try. Calculate the perimeter of this opposite figure. This is half circle. Half circle. Okay? C of this half circle equal half the circumference of the circle equal pi multiply d equal half multiply by equal 22 divide 7 22 over 7 multiply the diameter equal 7 equal 11. The parameter of the shape equal B equal half of the circle equal 11 equal 11 plus the straight line 10 plus the straight line 7 plus the straight line 10 equal كده الدرس خلص. حلو الاكسرسايزز، واللي عايز اي سؤال يكتبولي في الكومنتس. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.